Jackson's going to help Daddy put the dog food in the bin. Rue, come around here.
Are you hungry, Jack? Feed bag.
Look at him.
Come on, up. That's enough. Hey.
Oh. That's what he spit out.
Oh, please.
Jackson.
Oh, Lord.
See, we don't feed our dogs, so they only get to grab what they can.
Yeah.
When we fill up the bins. There goes Andy. Oh, see? Maybe we should do this because Jackson looks like he's chewing.
You got a whole head full of food.
See what happens when you don't chew?
Oh my God. All right, Jackson, that's enough.
Put the bag on his head again.
Well, at least he chews it when he gets a
Yeah.
smooth ball. And he says, I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but and then all right. Jump, Rue.
Well, he's eating a lot slower than he normally
Come on,
does.
Andy.
Oh, you're going to still have some more there, Rue?
Oh.
Gack.
Yikes.
Well, better they should clean it up off the floor.
What's happened to the cup?
I don't know. You put it on the table. Look under the bag.
Huh?
Look under the bag. Did you cover it? Well, at least they're cleaning
Get it
up
all
the floor.
cleaned up?
Did you get it all? No. Jackson, come here. You left some here. Come here. There you go.